Dear my beloved friends, today I would like to bring you to one of the most beautiful temple in Cambodia. It is called Bayon Temple, and it is one of the most amazing building here, where you can see so many different things on the carving from this temple here. The first gallery of the building, it depicted so many different wildlife scenes. You can see the monkeys, you can see the green peafowl, which is one of the most beautiful and huge species with the green body and very long tail. Hence, we can also see the group of the soldiers walking under the tree with the bird inside the tree looking for food. On the other part, the elk deers, one of the endangered species, also occur, plus the Saurus cranes carving, which dancings on the wall together here. On the other hand, not very far from this carving, we can also see the big fish, huge turtle, plenty of animals inside this area, even a bird also hunting for the fish. Right here we can see the community look like people having party, dancing, drinking. But if we look on the top of the building, there are some birds that could be the pigeon nowadays. So what do you think? They are pigeon, right? Thank you so much my beloved friends for watching this video. Please give us a comment and like to this video. Thank you again.